It was a very good session.
No matter what goes wrong, we should just love ourselves and we should keep ourselves calm.
All we need to do is we need to keep yourself, keep ourselves motivated in terms of everything is temporary. This shall pass through. I need to release all these negative energy which I'm getting from these stress.
We should love ourselves.
Yes.
Releasing all the negativity, all the stress. Just love yourself.
Emotions. The word emotion comes from a Latin root called as emovere. Emovere is actually the root of that word. It simply says discomfort in the body. That's it, nothing else. So this discomfort is because of any emotion or feeling like anger, fear, frustration, anxiety, and the source could be any. You can be angry for any reason, that the source doesn't matter. All of you, yes? Okay, perfect. And just repeat after me slowly. From today onwards, I'm going to take complete responsibility of all my emotions and give my best attempt to release and let them go. I'm no longer going to hold on to it. Very nice. Thank you very much for taking that pledge. This is one of the challenge we should be taking for 2021. On the screen, you are seeing a default response to the discomfort. At times we feel stressful, or anxious or nervous, whatever is the stress that could be. By default, our brain has only two ways to deal with it. We either fight with it or we run away from it. We fight with it. So if you want to resolve and if you want to really make your health better, your well-being better, and thereby your performance better, you have to take a new step. And you know what is the new step? The new step is acceptance. The first step for improving your emotional quotient is acceptance of whatever you are feeling within yourself. What is acceptance? Non-judgment. I'm not going to judge myself for anything what I experience inside me. If it is anger it is. If it is fear it is. I'm not going to label it like sticky notes. What we generally do because of our untrained mind, our habitual pattern is anything that we feel in our body and in our mind, and that which we don't like, we start labeling it very fast. We judge it. Oh, it's bad, it's not good, it's bad. And because of that, we are not able to have complete acceptance to it. But if you want to improve your emotional wellness, let me tell you, my friend, this is the best step you can start from today. Whatever I am experiencing, I accept completely. And moment you accept, you know what happens? There is something very, very important thing that happens. You have the inner power. You activate inner power inside you, which tells you take 100% responsibility for everything in your reality. All the stress, and say along with me, all the stress, I'm choosing to let go now. It's no longer serving me, and I let it go. Take a deep breath for me, please. And releasing and letting go. Releasing and letting go. Wonderful. Wonderful. All the anger connected to this, all the irritation connected to this, and any sadness connected to this, I let it go. Just take a breathe and let it go. And just connect to your emotions, okay? We are doing a generic round for everybody. So whatever is your true emotion in that particular situation which is in your mind, just connect to that emotion, allow it to come up, welcome it and let it go. Very nice. Everybody is doing good. Your forehead. Right hand on forehead, left hand on your chest center. Breathe. Now this position is something you can teach to your friends and your near and dear ones for anxiety. This is to break the anxiety pattern. When you hold on to forehead and your the center of the chest, any anxiety energy that might be there, it clears out easily. Okay, I want both the hands on your heart center now before we move to the next activity. Just repeat along with me slowly, feeling positive, feeling compassionate for myself and for others, feeling grateful for everybody in my team. Just take a breathe and express for next 10 seconds. Express your gratitude from your heart center to everybody in your team. Those who have joined the call today and all other office team members, including family members. Express your deepest gratitude and silently in your mind say thank you 3 times. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madhura. Thank you so much, Bhushan, for this wonderful session. We really, enjoyed the kind of the activity that we have done, and so it was great. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.